Welcome to Math 58 at Portland Community College. I am so happy that you'll be joining us this term. Hello, I'm Dr. Lori McKinder, and I will be your teacher and guide for this journey of Math 58 this term. I'd also like to introduce you to my big dog, Murphy. He is often at my feet while I'm teaching Math 58, so if you hear snoring in the background of our Zoom classes, that's probably Murphy. There will be many tools that we'll be using this term in Math 58. Of course, we'll be using Portland Community College's learning outcomes, otherwise known as CCOGs, and these are all of the subtopics that Portland Community College includes in Math 58. For example, graphing and pie charts, geometry, algebra, and real-world problem solving and spreadsheet work. In addition to those CCOGs from PCC, we'll also have opportunities to practice mindfulness, both together and on our own. Mindfulness is scientifically proven to calm our nervous system, and many of us in our math classrooms have math anxiety or test anxiety or even technology anxiety being an online remote class. And we'll use the tool of mindfulness to help calm us and add to our ability to focus. We will also have an opportunity to practice a growth mindset. And a growth mindset helps add to a positive outlook in class and learning. We know that if we add patience and time, effort, and get help when needed, we can really learn math at any age and any time. We can also practice a growth mindset by simply using the word yet at the end of a somewhat negative sentence. For example, if I were to say, I don't understand this, and add the word yet, I don't understand this yet, it allows a little opening for a deeper understanding or a window of growth to be presented. That's growth mindset. In addition to growth mindset, we'll also be practicing metacognition. And metacognition is another name for reflection. We will be reflecting on what we're doing to really understand what type of unique learner each of us are. We will do a task or take an exam and then spend a little bit of time reflecting. Why is it that I did so well, and how can I repeat that? Why is it that I didn't do as well as I thought I did? What type of effort or studying did I put into it? Could I change or modify that for next time? Reflecting as a student is very helpful. That's metacognition. I'll bet you're wondering at this point too, who is Math 58 really for? Well, really it's for everyone, but specifically it's for students who don't need calculus for their majors, but may need statistics. It's also great for students growing their problem-solving skills and real-world math skills. We have many goals of this course. They are applying math to real-life situations, developing skills to problem solve, using technology to learn and solve problems, reading and writing about math, becoming a more effective math student and student in general, and collaborative teamwork. Next, let's talk about what are the expectations for this class. We have both in-class expectations and also after or between class expectations. In class, you'll be expected to work politely and kindly and collaborative in teams on conceptual understanding, problem solving, pattern recognition, creating models. Sometimes I'll be lecturing so you can listen and learn from lectures, and there'll be plenty of time for groups. After or between classes, you'll be expected to work in Connect Math. That's our online homework and quiz area. You'll also be working in Google Sheet spreadsheets and finishing up any spreadsheet work that we didn't get to in class. There'll be textbook corrections and textbook pages to scan and upload. You'll be watching videos, perhaps getting tutored or studying with classmates or others, and preparing for our next session and also reflecting. I'm sure this sounds like a whole lot of work, and yes, this class packs a lot into each term. Getting tutoring instead of getting overwhelmed is a great idea, And staying on top of the assignments to not fall behind is also really helpful. We really do live in a technological world now, and employers expect familiarity with and productive use of technology. So in this class, we'll be practicing that. You'll be getting good at scanning, uploading and downloading files, specifically PDF files, online annotating, spreadsheet work, online videos, and online learning technologies like D2L Brightspace and Connect Math. I really am looking forward to meeting you all. Please reach out if you have any questions before our first class at lori.mckinder@pcc.edu. See you soon.